Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level on your headphones Turtle Beach Atlas Air with using your iOS device. Basically, you have a few options how to doing it. The first one is to create a widget. So just press and hold at empty space, then click Edit or Plus at the left top, Add Widget, scroll down, and click on Batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. Let's say I prefer this one, and after you decide, click Add Widget. And you can check it here. And the second option is to open the application, and right here at the top we can check a battery level. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!